So the weather in the Czech Republic is actually quite good. People think Eastern Europe, snow, really snowy, really cold, but it's really not that bad. Think about like Utah weather with about a 5-degree bump on the high and the low. It's really not that bad. So the low is a little bit colder, the high is a little bit hotter. Snow, absolutely in the winter. A lot of sun and sweating in the summer. And they have, occasionally they have these really intense lightning and rainstorms. They aren't dangerous, but they are very exciting to be in. My companion and I were driving home from a lesson once in a city called Brno. And as we were driving home, in a space of about 2 minutes, it went from light sprinkling to literally buckets of water just being dumped on our car. There's like lightning off in the distance everywhere, and all the clouds were rolling in overhead. We finally got back to our apartment. We were safe, and we get out of the car to go in, but we realized that it's quite a bit of a walk to our apartment. And so my companion opens the door, and this just bucket of water just comes and soaks the entire door, the inside, and he shuts it, and we realize that we aren't going to be able to get back to our apartment without getting completely soaked. And so we decided to just go for it. Both of us get out of the car. Probably within about 2 seconds, we were soaked from head to toe. There was like a river of water, and they were doing construction at the time, so it was muddy water. Just a river of muddy water going down the sidewalk as we were running back to our apartment. We finally get there. We walk inside, and we lived with a member family. And the father of the family was there, and he just looks at us and just busts up laughing. He takes a picture of us before we change out of our wet clothes. You know, we get into dry clothes afterwards and do our nightly planning. But it was definitely a funny story to remember from the weather in Brno.